G'day, welcome back. In this video, we're going to check out Canva's latest app, Text to Image. It's in its beta phase, and it can be found in the Discover App section. If you search Text to Image, click on the first one that pops up just here, and it will give you a user interface like this. It's an AI in that it allows you to write in text, and it uses a computer software to predict what that text will actually look like in terms of an image. It can create paintings, it can create photos. These photos don't exist, but it will use a mesh or an amalgamation of various photos to then form its own idea. So I'm going to write a futuristic city and see what it comes up with. So now it's thinking, it's looking at those three words, what each of those words represent, especially futuristic and city. And then it's going to mesh those two ideas together using complex algorithms behind the scenes that we don't really know. And then it's going to pop out a photo. This application is a really cool way to bring your ideas to life. And very quickly, we've created an image that never really existed other than this computer bringing our ideas to life. Give it a go, see what you can come up with. I wonder if this could be the catalyst for your next idea.